Sushi.
Hi everyone, welcome to our buffet at the beach kitchen with live music.
Orange Tobico, California roll. The orange one fish egg, flying fish egg. Salmon nigiri, mango salmon futomaki.
Such skill. Wow.
Oh man. He made that look way too easy.
Oh man.
Nigiri.
Nigiri. Look at that octopus one. Oh wow.
Still alive.
Still alive.
It's still alive. Yeah, you can see it moving. So this is Eric, the master who just made that.
Like
And
nothing.
just like popped it out. But we will be late, so he has to go back and make other stuff, but we'll show you that as well. Thank you, Eric. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And our favorite Cantonese chef is still here doing his thing. It's good. Actually a marinade that he was pouring in there, I think. It smells amazing.
Homemade, this one is detox. Homemade, and this one is mango juice.
Not homemade.
This one's not homemade. From La Bourdonnais.
From Le Bourdonnais, wow.
So, Le Bourdonnais, homemade
Detox and iced tea.
and iced tea.
Enjoy.
Thank you. There's a wedding or some sort of party going on today. Awesome.
Wow, it is so blue out there. Wow, here we go with the chicken skewers. Oh, flaming hot. Flaming hot. Oh wow, that looks sticky delicious. What marinade is on it?
It's yakitori sauce, homemade.
Sauce infused. Look at these giant prawns. Grilling away. The other ones that have already been grilled.
Yeah.
Look at them. Here we go. This is how you toss them. Wow. Master Chef. Thank you so much. Whoa, whoa. Flame on, flame on. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. It's the thigh and the drumstick, but he's cut them so that they're extra crispy. Chicken breast pieces or tenders.
Adds ambience.
Bit of a wedding going on.
And this bad guy over here.
So, the beautiful lady there to this handsome gentleman. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
live music. And I suggest coming early because as soon as it's out, everyone's queuing up. Luckily, I have a inside man on the job, Ricky.
Kimchi. Very popular buffet, the sushi and dim sum, and I can see why.
How fluffy they've become. And here we go with the fire. Wow, wow. He's using the chopsticks in the tempura batter, chucking it in and mixing it in. And look what it's done to the tempura. Oh, look at those pieces. Look at that. That is simply amazing. And they're done. Crispy, crispy tempura. Some of them are too big. That's mine. That's my piece. There we go with the next lot. Oh, and look at this. He's actually laying it down on the crispy other pieces, so it's extra, extra crispy. Double crispy. Double crispy. That's it. Double crispy. Here we go with the magic bit. Oh, man. Oh, and he's just pouring it all in. There we go. That's how you do it. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Yeah, every last drop of crispiness.
This is mine.
That's for the chef.
The best.
It's the best bit. Oh, I wish I was a chef now.
Anyway, import 2, import 4 kilo. Import 3. Kan lu pola non là, import 3. Memang sudah bertemu dulu lah.
Tempura plating. And there we are. Tempura plating with a garlic butter and beautiful tempura pack. Stack. Beautiful. Oh man.
Na 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 real soul. Yeah yeah. Na 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 real soul. Na 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 real soul. Yeah yeah yeah. And the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't.
I think quite like a beautiful girl on the beach. Go to the buffet, Rick. Go to the buffet. Well, we did it. We're getting our first urchin.
I don't know what Brian is putting on my plate.
It's something you collect off the rocks, Rick. Go get some sushi. Yes, lemon.
Fresh mango.
Fresh mango and salmon. Salmon nuri, I think.
Nigiri.
Nigiri.
We'll try to use that to stem the, build a dam around the other hot thing. It'll be good.
It'll be fine.
Cream cheese.
Fig.
Some figs. Fresh tomatoes. Because, you know, you need things to look pretty. Those are capers, Brad.
Okay. Making a beautiful
Capers
plate
and
there, Rick.
olives. Oh, wow.
Some little dim sums.
I didn't even notice those. Ooh,
So hopefully it goes with that.
calamari salad. Roasted aubergine salad. We'll take a piece of that. Brian?
for sure. Oh, get one of these tomato skewers.
Yeah, with some mozzarella.
Deviled egg. Let's go try this, Rick.
Yep.
Oh. That's our view while we're eating. Oh, wow.
Oh man, look
So
at this.
what a feast.
Pull up a chair, bruh.
Oh, wow. Have you ever had a mango one? Give it a try.
Mmm.
Could the...
Go get more.
Go get more. Everything
That is so soft. Oh wow.
There was the calamari.
Oh man, I don't understand that. I'm pretty sure it's calamari. Wow.
And could this location be any better?
No. We got our own little bonus delivery of pork. Oh man, we are so lucky.
Oh, what happened?
I don't think that's part of this buffet.
Ah, oh.
Give it a go. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh man. Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't know how they make things so soft.
Chef Wu is a genius.
We love Chef Wu.
Crispy crackling. Gotta get out a little bit of the urchin. Oh, just gonna try to put a little bit of Tabasco in.
Now that you've smushed it up,
Smush it up and just drink it. See what happens.
I can't imagine what they taste like.
It tastes like water at the moment in Tabasco. It's obviously not enough if it came out.
Must be a skill. There you go.
Oh, it's actually quite nice.
Tastes like the sea
It's
always.
really sweet.
Ah, sweet.
Yeah, no, very, very sweet.
Let me try some.
And a little bit fishy.
Scoop me out a piece.
Here, Eric.
From the ground you see, my hand was made strong.
Not for me. Everything else is delicious though. But at least I got to try it.
Try one of these little guys.
Yum.
Oh, great sauce. And it's like a prawn and fish filling.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Flying fish roe.
And Ricky can't eat it because it's got avo.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, that's wasabi. Oh, the sushi is so good.
Their sushi is amazing.
I'll just put a pile of it on this plate.
I'm thinking, do you think we can?
Oh, let's do that.
Some tempura.
Tempura.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
I get to try it first. They are so crispy. Garlic butter sauce. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh. Luckily Ricky's not gonna like these, so I can eat them all right now.
What do you mean?
Master skill.
Crispy and light and prawny. Oh wow. I can't believe you forgot about the dip. Mmm. Oh yeah. You didn't like these, eh?
No, I said you wouldn't. Wait, what? No, wait, what? Can't hear.
They do seafood so well.
You're gonna try the nigiri. Oh, you're just gonna paste it. I was watching.
Oh, that is such beautiful salmon. Oh my word. I know what I'm doing the rest of the afternoon.
We're just gonna sit and enjoy it. Go fetch some more. Well, I'll see you guys. I'm off to go get more sushi for Ricky.
seafood.
Ricky's favorite things, a sushi plate. Might not be Ricky's birthday, but it sure feels like it. Cheers, everyone. Braised beef rib. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe you have to put it in a bowl?
Oh my word.
Braised beef rib.
No way. Let me pull you off a piece as well, guys.
Oh,
The
man.
smell that comes off when you open that up. Oh my word, their meats are fantastic. Anxious. Absolutely soft and melty in mouth.
No, I'm just gonna bite it.
And there's a wedding going on. Congratulations, happy couple.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations, other happy couple.
Oh,
Ryan
man.
and braised beef.
I'm just gonna get some more beef.
And some calamari salad.
And beef. Okay. Oh, you gotta try the pudding now.
Oh my word. It's really good.
Well, we think are machi flats or balls, or but we're not 100% sure on that.
Interesting, but we're both going to try one.
Yeah, for
We
sure.
died together.
We died together. Lift it right, get it out. Oh, you're dropping it. Nicely done.
Tropical fruits. Grass jelly.
Grass jelly.
Put it on the fruit.
Oh, wow. They are so soft and gluey. Did you guys know that?
I know
Wow.
nothing.
What is that? Oh, wow.
What is it?
I'm going to say it's like eating wallpaper paste that's gone hard, but soft. Very distinct flavor about it, but it's very gluey, and it's weird. I kind of like it.
The sea behind you is just amazing.
David, why are you
It
looking at
is.
me? Oh, sorry.
Two turquoise.
What's wrong?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's
Oh,
how you do
so hot.
it.
It's so hot.
You just summon someone.
Oh man, I'm just gonna bite right into it. Oh, it's hot. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh, those look lovely.
Oh man. I can see why they were finished.
Wow. That's great.
Look at her face.
That doesn't feel like edible. You know that slime you played with as a kid?
It's exactly like that.
Not a Ricky thing. Very nice.
Strawberry.
Very, very light. Forgot to say, it's 1,500 per person for the seafood and dim sum buffet, and all the starters and pudding
And the braised beef rib.
and the braised and all those extra things, and we didn't even need half of it. Right, so up in the north, Grand Baie, near Points Cannoneers, right at the beach, Ocean Villas, and it doesn't say, but beach kitchen.
Oh wow, what a great buffet. I'm so full, I ate way too much. All the food was too good. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Beach. That's all we've been looking at all day.